Welcome back. I'm Suresh Machu from Machu Tattoos. So today the topic is what is whiting tattoo and what are all the facts behind it. In this video we are going to briefly explain about the whiting tattoos with the example images. So do watch this video completely to get the clear idea about whiting tattoos. If you are a person plan to get it done the whiting tattoos, then this video will be very helpful for you to get it done. Let's get into the topic now. In the worldwide, mostly people gets black tattoos or else the color tattoos. But this whiting tattoos coming on the trend and placing a very important role among girls and women's side, because it's mostly a subtle tattoo and not going to be visible much outside. So most of the girls prefers to go ahead in this tattoo worldwide. And I will be explain about the science behind this, how this process works in this whole video. So fact number one, design. Design is a very important thing. All the designs can't able to done by whitings. So small simple line tattoos are best to do it as a whiting tattoos. As we all know, we are going to use only one color of ink. So if you are planning to do kind of shadings or more intricate details, then that will not gives you the good output. Then fact number two, placement of the tattoo. Yes, placement plays another key important role when it comes to whiting tattoos. When you are getting a tattoo done in the place where it's so much visible outside under the UV rays, then obviously it gets fades. It implicates to normal black and color tattoos also. Then you can think of white color tattoos, obviously it fades very quickly. So while choosing a placement, choose the best placement where it can stay a bit more longer duration. So here also you can go ahead as your artist suggestion, because they have much more experience and they can suggest you very well. So the fact number three, this is the most important questions when people think for the whiting tattoos. How quick it's fade? Yes. So while we talk about whiting tattoos, due to the lack of pigment sizes, like comparing to the black color or other colors, it will start to fade very quickly. So we need to keep it remember that when you do the whiting tattoo, chance of fading will be there and you need to do the retouch up. In this video, I'm going to explain more about how can we make it safely and maintain it good for longer duration. So stay still tuned with me. So fact number four, how will it looks on Indian skin? Yes, when comes to Indian skin, we are the people have a much more lot melanin comparing to the other country people. So because we are having a lot of melanin deposit in our skins, whiting tattoo will be looks very dull. Yes, you heard it right. As we all know, our tattoo is going to be settled down in the epidermis layer. On top of the epidermis layer, there is the melanin layer which is going to be protect us from the UV rays. So those melanin layers needs to be transparent to make this whiting tattoo to be visible more outside. Because of our melanin layer have a thick pigments, it can't able to show our whiting tattoos outside much. It will be visible, but the visibility wise it will be kind of bit dull comparing to the pale white skin people. So fact number five is, what is the tattooing process of this whiting tattoos? So here artist plays a key important role, because he's going to tattoo on your skin that is not visible more widely. So artist needs to have more experienced, because when you do the tattoo it's going to be white and they need to understand how depth it's going inside to settle down perfectly. If it goes more than the second layer, more depth it goes, then it will start to create scars. That's called a keloid scars. So that will spoil the whole tattoo completely. So always keep that in mind and choose the best tattoo artist who can deliver the best output. So and tattoo inks is not all brand of tattoo inks is not safe. So whitings, as per the dilution, it keeps varies. So only the experienced artist can able to understand what is the depth puncture and the speed needs to be get down on your skin. So don't go ahead and don't play with amateurs or backyard operators. So here another important thing is, in this process it's going to be make it done by the whitings. So once this process whiting has been done, your tattoo might be looks a little reddish and small bleeding may happen. That is completely fine. Whitings, it may happen, but once got healed you can get the better output. So hope for the best always. So next fact is stages of healing when it comes to whiting tattoos. Yes, so healing may differ comparing to normal tattoos. Why? Because it's not going to push the inks outside because it's the whiting tattoos, and it's not going to smudge a lot comparing to our normal black and color tattoos. So in this whiting tattoo you need to keep moisture your skin, and how much ever you are nourishing and moisturizing your skin, that much ever best output you can get it. So if you make your skin more dry, then it will start to get break and it will start to look very dull. So don't do that. Keep the pigment so strong and keep polishing it to look more attractive and beautiful on the outside. And we are highly recommend Tattoo Protector Cream, which can give you the best output on this whiting tattoos. So we have attached our video link of our whole tattoo aftercare, so you can go through that also to get a better idea. But difference between that and this is only thing, you need to keep moisture it comparing the normal black and color tattoos. Don't die nude.